Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are just going to do a simple, slick, quick and easy bun. We are starting with this hair. We're going to start by just spritzing some moisture, adding some moisture into the hair. And then we're going to brush the hair back. We are mostly going to be concentrating on the front part of the hair and also the sides and the back. So we're just kind of racking that area where we've just spritzed some water. We've added some moisture to the hair. So we're just brushing that bit of the hair. And then we're going to go in with our argan oil just to seal in that little bit of moisture we've added from the water. And again, just focusing on the area of the hair that we're going to be working on, which is the front and the back. This is where we're going to be working on mostly. So we'll just seal in that moisture we added in there with some argan oil. And then after that, we're just gonna take this one product that we're gonna be using for this hairstyle. We don't need anything more, just this. And it's the Shine and Jam gel, which looks like this. It's really strong hold, so it will firm up. It doesn't get soft. It's not really hard to feel, but it won't come off once you've applied it because it has a strong firm hold. So I'll just take a fair amount of that and quickly apply all of that all around the perimeter of my hair, because this is the area of the hair where we want laid and looking sleek for the hairstyle that we're going to be doing. And if this is your first time watching this channel, welcome and thank you so much for watching. If you are interested in self-care, positivity, looking good, feeling good, all of that, join the community and subscribe and join the family for more content on this. We literally talk about everything and anything, including hair and skin as well. Okay, so once I am happy that I have applied enough product around the hair, around the perimeter of the hair, I'm just gonna start brushing the product into the hair, and then I will tie that in as well. Go in as many times as you like with the brush until you're happy that everything's been laid and you've got no flyaways. So I look happy here and content, and look at that, it's got this shine as well. It looks really good and everything looks nice and slick. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put a hair tie just to lay all of that down, and I'll just keep this in for 15 minutes. Some people do longer, but this product is really good. You don't even 10 minutes, to be honest, would be good enough. So for the bun, I'm just going to do a quick twist and pin that down. Okay, after your anything from 10 to 30 minutes is up, take your scarf off, and look at that, guys. Look at that. My hair is proper 4C, super kinky, but look at that. Look how gorgeous that looks. Everything is laid and looking slick, and love that shine on the hair as well. Okay, so we can move on to styling now. So the first I'm going to do, you don't need any extensions, nothing at all, just some chopsticks. Okay, so I'm going to put the first chopstick in, and then I'm going to put the second one in, and voila, you are done. Look at that. It looks sophisticated. It literally took a few minutes to do this, but you can totally rock this anywhere, and look how laid the hair is. Look at that, guys. Oh, I like it. I really like how that came out. So you can just use one chopstick if you prefer. And again, it still looks nice, and it just looks like, you're somebody, I don't know, with authority and, with power. Okay. Let's move on to the next hairstyle. Seriously, I don't know where I got this hairpiece from. I just found it laying around in the house. And I just thought, oh, okay, this is another simple style I could do to this laid slick look that we're going for here. So I really didn't want to bother myself much with doing many things. So I literally just used that little elastic band that came with the hair, and just wrapped that round my own hair to cover all of it. And that's what you can see me doing here. So play around with it, whatever extension you prefer to use, just play around until it takes the shape that you are going for. I kind of messed the hair a little bit because I wanted it to have some kind of afro looking bit at the end, not too shiny, so that it's not too different from my own hair. But yeah, there it is, guys. How about that, hey? So those are some very quick and easy styles you can do. Okay, slick, check. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.